In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a Clickup API token effortlessly in just about 5 minutes. Whether you're integrating Clickup with other tools or automating workflows, having your API token is key. So let's dive right into the process without any delay. First things first, you'll need to navigate to Clickup, the Everything app for work. This is where all the magic starts. Simply type in Clickup's URL into your browser and let it whisk you away to the platform that promises to elevate your work efficiency to a whole new level. Once the page loads, it's time to get you signed in. You will be greeted with the option to enter your email. This might seem like a small step, but make sure you type in the email associated with your Clickup account correctly to prevent any sign-in roadblocks. It's all about the details after all. After you've entered your email, the next step is to input your password. Your password is the key to your digital workspace, so type it in carefully. Remember, it's important to keep this password secure and never share it with others. Digital security is paramount in today's world. Following the successful entry of your password, the login button eagerly awaits your click. Go ahead and click on Login to access the vast expanse known as your Clickup workspace. This is where your productivity tools reside, and in a few moments where you'll create your API token. Now that you're logged in, navigate to Home vertical bar NANS Workspaces. This is your command center, your digital HQ, from where you orchestrate your work symphonies. It's from here that you will be taking the next step towards API token generation. Look for the Settings option. It's your gateway to further customizing and controlling your Clickup experience. Settings is where the nuts and bolts of your account reside, offering you control over various aspects of your workspace. Within Settings, gravitate towards the Clickup API section. This is where Clickup empowers you to create connections between Clickup and other tools or services you use. It's Clickup extending its hand for a firm technological handshake with the rest of your digital tools. Upon entering the Clickup API section, the Generate an API token button beckons. This is the moment of truth where you ensure your workspace's interoperability with other services. Clicking this button is a leap towards a more integrated digital work environment. With anticipation brimming, proceed to click on Regenerate. Why regenerate, you might ask? It's a safety net, ensuring that if your API token was ever compromised, or you're generating one for the first time, you're assured a fresh start. This fresh API token is your passport to securely connecting Clickup with other apps and services. And there you have it. Just like that, you've embarked on a journey of enhanced productivity and integration by generating your Clickup API token. This token is more than just a string of characters. It's a bridge between Clickup and a world of integrations, automations, and efficiency boosters. Guard it well, for it holds the key to elevating your workflows to new heights. Remember, your API token is akin to a password. Keep it secure, share it judiciously, and regenerate it if you ever feel its security has been compromised. Clickup has designed this process to be as seamless as possible, but the responsibility of handling the token securely rests on your shoulders. And there you have it, a comprehensive step-by-step guide to getting your Clickup API token. We've navigated from logging in to navigating settings and finally to generating that all-important token. With this token, you're well on your way to unlocking the full potential of Clickup integration and automation. Remember to handle your API token with care, much like you would with any sensitive information. The digital world is brimming with possibilities, and with your new API token, you're better equipped than ever to explore them. Thanks for tuning in, and here's to your continued success in optimizing your productivity and integration strategies.